In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use SF symbols in SwiftUI. Instead of passing the name of an asset to an image function, we can also use system symbols. SF symbols are set of symbols provided by Apple, which can also pass to image function. To browse all SF symbols and view their names, Apple provides a downloadable application. So go through the developer.apple.com SF symbols. Click on the downloadable. So after you download and click, you can install the application. I have already downloaded the application. So just click on the application. You will see all SF symbols. So click on any of the SF symbol and copy the name. And it is very simple as adding the image with the name of the desired symbol. Image of system name. So you can place the image name here. This adds a symbol in your view using default size and weight. Change the size of SF symbol. Same like it has a font. To change the size of SF symbol using system text style, to make symbol bold, we use bold function. Then we can change size and weight of a SF symbol. We can change scale of a symbol. We can treat it as an image. We can also change the color of a symbol with a foreground color.